Day 2 at the gym. Because you knew I was gonna do it, and I did it. I have a list right now with these in my mouth, and it's just not it. Day 2 at the gym. We didn't go yet. We're on our way down. I'm trying to show you my outfit. Oh, my arms hurt from yesterday. So this is my outfit for tonight. I have on, this is out from Target, I think. Just this, which is like that, my suit sweat, and these colorful leggings. And that's it, really. My hair still looks crazy, but it's okay. So I've been wearing this to the gym. I don't know if this helps you lose weight. Can you let me know in the comments down below if this helps you lose like body fat? Or stomach fat at least. Just gotta get this together. That's it. Yeah, this is cute. This is like a crop top, so it comes up to like here. But this does make me sweat. Like I've been sweating just wearing it around, like walking around. And yesterday we did my arms. I already have like pretty toned arms, but I just want to get everything more defined. Like that's why I'm going to the gym. Like my arms still hurt from yesterday though. They hurt this way and they hurt that way. Going back to the gym day 2. Goals are to go to the gym 4 days a week. So pray for me, y'all. Oh, plus new vlog is up. Go check it out. Talk about my gym experience. Even though I started yesterday. it's only day 2. It's only day 2. But that's all right. I want to be consistent for at least 6 weeks. So I have to mark on my calendar. My husband's like, mark on the calendar 6 weeks from today, or from yesterday, which was the 28th. So it will be, a month in will be April 28th. 2 more weeks after that will be 14 days after that, 30 days in April. So May 12th. May 12th, okay? Let's see where I am by May 12th. My body should be everything May 12th. I've also been tracking my fitness on my Fitness Pal. So I don't know if you guys have the app, but it's definitely a good one because they can track your food and everything, your workouts and everything. But I got some products I can't wait to show you guys. So I have Sephora products. I have to do the VIB sale stuff. So hopefully this weekend I'll be able to record 2 videos. One is going to be like a pretty little thing haul where I'm getting all dressed up. Second video is going to be a Sephora VIB sale where I will get what I have and like my wish list or whatever for spring. I think it's spring savings event for Sephora, but yeah, I went and I bought some stuff and I'm very excited because some stuff is so good. It's so good. I'm so excited about it. So yeah, that's it for now. Tonight for dinner we're having shrimp alfredo and I'm excited about that. And I think I'll be good because I have like 800 something calories left. I gotta find a way to fill my calories up because I just be eating random stuff. So I got some like popcorn, like Skinny Pop, and I have some mangoes that I was eating a ton of those. Oh, I didn't even put those in. A bunch of stuff I probably wasn't supposed to eat, but I ate because it was good and I'm hungry. That's the only thing about eating healthy. When you eat healthy, you'll be starving for no reason all the time. So, oh my God. All right, let me go. See you guys later. Maybe I'll take you to the gym, but I promise you I'll show you like my stretches because I don't know what I'm doing yet, y'all. So when I do, you'll know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. Welcome back to the vlog, I should say. So this is my 3rd video for today that I'm recording. Oh, it's the 3rd video for today that I'm recording. I recorded a Pretty Little Thing haul, so you're gonna see like this outfit in the Pretty Little Thing haul. I also recorded my Sephora VIB sale, which if I can do this fast enough, I'm gonna try to record it. I'm gonna try to edit it right now and get it up today. So pray for me because that's gonna be crazy. And then I'll do my Pretty Little Thing haul, which will be up on Tuesday. So yes, honey, I got these earrings in, my Tory Burch earrings. They look so cute, and I got them from, I think, Poshmark. But the other one is falling out of my ear. And it looks so cute, but it's falling out. It's so annoying. But anyway, let me hurry up and get this edited so I can get it up and out to you guys so you can know my recommendations for Sephora because you knew I was going to do it. And I did it. So yeah, let me do that, and then I will talk to you guys later. And yeah, it's lighting. Even though I'm looking a little ghostly, you really can see the kitchen. It's dirty. I gotta go. I'm gonna finish editing stuff. So, bye guys. I'm not recording this whole time, y'all. What did y'all see? I don't know. All right, I gotta go. I did this whole thing. Y'all weren't even here. Okay. So, scent of the night is this replica Under the Lemon Trees. That's what I'm wearing. I already sprayed this on. I thought I sprayed this on in front of y'all, but I didn't. And then the Chloe deodorant, which sprays out like a spritz. You guys gotta go watch my new Sephora VIB haul. My outfit of the night is just this. I'm literally wearing sneakers. So just a pink top, black pants, and these like little Vans. I don't feel fancy at all. I'm not trying to feel fancy. I'm just trying to get out of here. And I'm gonna go meet my hubby at our place. Okay, now my video is processing HD version. Yeah, it's late. I thought I was recording before. I was not recording anything. And that's annoying. My video is still publishing. Hopefully it'll be done soon. The weather outside is cold. Probably won't take you guys with me because it's a place I always go. So I could just record on my phone if I want to vlog a drink or whatever. And food. But it's like we're probably going to get wings or something. Nothing crazy. And I will see you guys later on because I'm getting out of here.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm looking a little dry today. I feel a little bit dry. I don't have any lotion on my face. It's like 2 o'clock. I'm chilling in my robe. Just finished putting my install back in. I gotta fix this piece, but let me put on some lip stuff because, honey, hold on. Hey y'all, so today is Saturday. Happy Saturday. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome back to the vlog. This is gonna be wrapping up like actually the vlog for the week. I am about to, it's like a full maintenance day or full maintenance vlog because I already got my nails done, my feet done, and ooh, y'all, I feel like I got so many marks on my face. What is happening? I got my nails done, my feet done. I got my teeth whitening strips because I'm about to whiten my teeth. Because remember I was telling you I need to whiten my teeth. So that's about to happen right now. I just did my hair in these curls. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I was going back and forth between side part and the other side, but this has to get like fixed, so I'm gonna fix that, do my best. I'm gonna try that again. And then I have like, I want it to be like tousled or whatever, do you know what I'm talking about? Like kind of effortless, like I just woke up, my hair looks like this, it's all like perfectly curled. I don't know, kind of like it. And then I was like, maybe I should do the middle part. I don't know, I like the curls, but I don't know what's going on. I just feel weird. So I'm about to put these teeth whitening strips on my teeth because, as you know, my skin on this side is like not, I don't know what's happening here. Gotta fix that. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my skin on this side. This side is not really doing much better. Looks a little bit better than this side because these have like mad marks. I don't know. Anyway, gonna do these Crest White strips. These are from Crest White Strips, Crest 3D White Strips, dental whitening treatment with Flex Fit technology. It says easy full kit. It says 1 upper and 1 lower strip. And you have to put these on for an hour. That's a long time. What is going on here? Why don't I love it? Okay, so this is clearly the upper. This is clearly the lower. So I'm tired of my teeth not being white as they used to be. Coffee, wine. This is mad weird, y'all. Let me go do my makeup, finish my hair stuff, and then I'll come back because I have a lisp right now with these in my mouth, and it's just not it. It's not it. I'm back, and I'm 100% better. Plus, my teeth are whitened, so I don't have my lisp anymore right now, and I look like a straight brownie. Okay, all brown, everything. Okay, so let's see. So this is what I'm looking like. Fit, all Shein. Shein top, Shein pants, and if you watch my Shein haul, it's literally the outfit for my Shein haul. So I'm gonna wear my Pretty Little Thing sneakers with my Pretty Little Thing socks. I just stuffed some stuff over there, and I'm gonna show you my scent of the night or day. I'm about to go get my Starbucks. Oh, I got a new Starbucks drink. I found one today and I'm very excited, but hold on. Scent is Okja. Yeah, Okja Sweet Addict is my scent of the day. And I don't know what we're doing, but I'm gonna smell like Fruit Loops, whatever we're doing. Okay, and let me put on my shoes and I do my Starbucks room. Guys, it's hot in here. Why is the heat on? Scratch that up. Oh, I didn't show you guys my toes, but you know I got my toes done the other day and I got my nails done. So this is like a whole maintenance thing. It's a reset, but do you guys see? I know I got a sock on, but still. I don't want to take the sock off, y'all. Sorry. So my toes just look like this. It's like this pinkish white color that I get on my toes. It's not white and it's not pink. My nails are like all different colors. So it's like springy, very springy. I gotta take a good nail pick because I know that's not good, but I just don't have one right now. So nails, very cute. I got another haul coming up for y'all. Haul's coming up. Probably will film it tomorrow. I'll just edit that out. Okay. Okay. So I noticed that I have this block down here, and I have to, y'all. I gotta clean up. Like legit clean up. Like we need to vacuum. We need to put away toys. Jonathan's living his best little life. He's not here. He's with my mom, but it's a lot happening in the space. But anyway. I'm just saying, you can't tell me I don't look good today. And it's just so regular. And I've been going to the gym and I feel like I could see a difference in 2 weeks. So we didn't go to the gym today or yesterday, but we're going to the gym tomorrow morning. But it's been working, y'all. It's been working. So again, this whole fit is from Shein. I wore this in my Shein haul, my last Shein haul, my winter Shein haul. I think it's like 50 degrees today, so kind of cute, whatever. These are my shoes I just got from my Pretty Little Thing haul and my Pretty Little Thing socks. Yep, there you go. Got it. Got it, boos. This looks so cute. Running errands, just a regular day, but you gotta look snatched, okay? Love it. All right, let me go get my Starbucks order. Oh, hold up, y'all. Side note, I don't know if you guys know, but I don't wear shoes in the house. I only wear slippers, but when I have new shoes on, I usually wear them in the house on this side. I don't know if that's a thing for y'all, but I don't wear them. These are brand new, never worn before outside, so these won't go back on the carpet, but just want you should know that, because I'm like, oh, she got shoes in that. No, honey, we don't do that here. All right, so my Starbucks order, I wrote it down. I follow this new girl from YouTube. This is how I be finding Starbucks orders, y'all, just so you know. So if you're like, where do you find them? Random people on YouTube, just finding them. I gotta find her name. I'll put her name in the comments because I think it's like I am Reese or something. I don't know. She's like fitness, eating right. All right, here we go. So my new Starbucks order is a venti iced pistachio latte with brown sugar syrup, vanilla sweetened cold foam, 3 scoops of matcha blended into the cold foam. I know that's a lot, but I'll put it on the screen for y'all because I put it in my notes because I was like, I need to know what that is. I want to see what it tastes like. It's gonna be like green and brown. So let's go to Starbucks. Once a week treat. Because we're not doing this over here. We're not doing Starbucks every day. I told you I do not do Starbucks every day. But on the weekends, I feel like, you know, I could deserve a little bit. Oh, I got this new supplement. I'll show you guys, like, I don't know if anybody's tried this. Ollie Beat the Bloat, reduces belly bloat. I haven't tried it yet, but I want to try it, so to see what it's like, see what it's giving, see if it reduces that belly fat. But, okay, let's see. I'm gonna try to order this drink. The light is not on over here, and I'm definitely gonna edit this vlog, so you're gonna see this vlog. You're gonna see me today, because I'm gonna edit it and put it out. And I smell good. Order. What kind of drink? Ice pistachio. Oh, I hope they have it, because sometimes they don't have stuff. Let's see. It's showing 0 drinks. No. I don't think they have it, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this one. I wonder if they have it in another Starbucks. Okay, let me go so I can figure it out. I know y'all not gonna stay up here. I know y'all not gonna stay up here. But I'm trying to think of which sunglasses I'm gonna wear. I just threw on my jacket that I wear. These Amazon sunnies. I think these are both Amazon. I don't have any designer glasses. Oh, besides Ray-Ban. I don't like these. That's a no for me. I don't know why I don't like them. Just don't like them. Or we're gonna throw on our huge sunnies so we look like a celebrity. They have to be cleaned though. I don't know. Let's wear these. Let's wear these, guys. We're on our way to Starbucks. I will be back in a minute when I get my drink. Oh, they didn't have my drink. They didn't have my drink. They don't have no more pistachio lattes or whatever. So I got chai, the chai one that I had. So I'll put that on the screen what my order is as well, just in case you want to get it and try it. It's pretty good. But I got matcha. So I'm gonna go get that now, and then yeah. I'm back. I got venti ice cream tea, latte, vanilla sweet cold foam, almond milk, and 3 pumps of chai. This is what I get for my drink now. That vanilla sweet cold foam be so good. And then we got pliables coming. So when that comes, I'll show you guys. But that's it. I gotta go get some protein because I don't have any. The one I had I couldn't use because I'm lactose intolerant. I don't know if anybody else is, but I'm definitely lactose. I'm 100% lactose intolerant. So I used it and it was not agreeing with my body. Like my body was like, honey. So I gave it away. But I am going to get a new protein, the same kind of protein, but just a vegan version of it. So hopefully that will make my stomach feel better. I don't know. I don't know y'all, but let me see what I look like in 6 weeks. And I'm gonna be so happy. Because I see results. I see results today, and it's week 2. So everything is just sitting a little higher, looking a little toner, looking a little slimmer. I love it here. Anyway, let me edit this vlog that I'm literally doing right now. So good. Are you guys like my gym water bottle? Let me show you. It says gym keg. Isn't that so cute? Man, my husband had one. He has a black one. I have like the pink version of it. But it fits, I think, like 70 something ounces. So a gallon, at least a gallon of water is in there. Which I haven't drank at all today, so I need to do that now. I'm gonna go. I'll come back when I have my pliable ready. Eat that with you guys. I get, it's called an electric mermaid. So good. It has mango, pineapple, coconut flakes, granola, honey, and it's on a pitaya. Pitaya is like the dragon fruit, but it's the purple one. It's really, really good. It's called the electric mermaid. Am I missing something? Mango, pineapple. Oh, kiwi. Yeah, it's so good. But that's the only one, like, anytime I go to pliables, it's the only one I get 100% of the time. So let me edit. Guys, I can't get over how cute I look today. Like, I maybe keep doing this. Let me see closer. She's up close again. That might be my thumbnail. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching the vlog, and I'll see you soon.